filmed an intro in so long, so I feel really weird, to be honest. Before we get into the room tour, yeah, I just thought I'd do like a quick little life update, and I'll talk after the room tour as well. But I have moved. You guys can already tell I have moved back to my parents' place, and so I kind of wanted to make this room my own, adding more color, more vibrant things, and also artwork pieces. I would say this room is not like 100% completed, but it's mostly there, and I'm really happy with it. Makes me really happy having so much like added colors to my room. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what you think.
When the spotlight was shining down on your face, so tell me what happens now. I see you in the pretty smile. Follow you, baby. Tell me you love me, I'm waiting. You don't know I love how you say it. Tell me a secret, I'm waiting. I promise to keep it, sorry. Tell me you love me, I'm waiting. You don't know I love how you say it.
Like that room tour. Yeah, I just thought I'd do like a quick little life update. Obviously I mentioned that, you know, I'm back at home. Yeah, I am no longer engaged anymore and I'm on my own. Last month has just been such a crazy intense month, to say the least, and I think I'm not going to get too into it, but I will say this, that I feel like life kind of throws things your way so that you could really learn and grow as a person. And, you know, I also realized that like some things are not meant to be, and that's totally okay. And yeah, I am definitely, obviously don't let this fool you into thinking I'm like fine and happy, but I obviously have my days, but I think each day will get better and better, just kind of taking one step at a time. But it's really nice to just be back at home and spending time with my friends and family, which is really, really great, and just like spending a lot of quality time with myself. And yeah, so like I guess I'll just kind of keep it at that. I don't really want to go too much in depth, and because it is obviously like a very private matter to me. With that said, I really wanted to talk about like the content moving forward, and I don't know, I'm just like in a different like state of mind recently. I just kind of feel like very creative, very open to new things. As you can already kind of tell with the content, I am slowly kind of dabbling into new areas onto this channel. But obviously I still want to do thrifting. It's still going to be a main part of my channel, but it'd be nice to also venture out and also do a lot of more creative content, as well as some like art and music onto here, because those are some things that I just like really enjoy. And also traveling, of course. I'm definitely going to be traveling a lot, obviously, when things kind of cool down. I hope you guys can, you know, understand where I'm coming from and also enjoy the journey, my journey, and this new change of life, which is really exciting. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for like checking in. I got a lot of messages, so I figured I kind of like say this. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you have an awesome one. Take care.